slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Welcome back to SmartWealth AI, the channel where we explore how technology, innovation, and artificial intelligence are shaping the future of wealth and lifestyle. Today, we're diving into one of the most advanced and luxurious creations in the automotive world, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle, it's a case study in engineering, luxury design, and future living. And at the end, I'll also share how learning AI today can help you build wealth and create your own version of a luxury lifestyle. From the outside, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome immediately stands out. The bold Maybach grille and futuristic LED matrix headlights give it a commanding presence. The sleek, aerodynamic body lines are not only stylish, but scientifically designed to reduce drag and improve efficiency. Riding on massive 22-inch alloy wheels with a self-leveling suspension, this motorhome maintains stability and elegance, whether on highways or camping grounds. This exterior is not just about luxury, it's about functional design backed by technology. Step inside and you're welcomed into what feels like a moving private jet. The interior is a masterclass in space optimization and smart living. Hand-stitched Napa leather seats, polished wooden trims, and brushed aluminum finishes set the tone for elegance. The lounge features fully reclining massage chairs that can rotate 360 degrees, along with a 75-inch OLED display and a Burmester 3D surround sound system. The kitchen is fully equipped with a refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and smart storage solutions. What makes this educational is how Mercedes uses artificial intelligence inside the MBUX Hyperscreen system, learning your preferences for lighting temperature and entertainment to create a personalized environment. The bedroom offers a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress and a panoramic skylight, designed to positively impact mood and mental health. The bathroom is equally luxurious, featuring a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and a smart mirror that provides travel information and weather updates. These are not just features of comfort, they're demonstrations of how psychology, ergonomics, and AI-driven smart technology can transform living spaces. Performance-wise, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome is powered by a hybrid drivetrain that combines a V8 engine with advanced electric motors. This is an excellent educational example of how the automotive industry is transitioning between traditional combustion engines and fully electric systems. With air suspension, semi-autonomous driving, lane keeping assist, and highway autopilot, this motorhome shows us how artificial intelligence and robotics are becoming part of everyday transportation. It's a living example of applied AI, sensors, and algorithms making real-time driving decisions. Now let's talk about price. The starting cost of the 2026 Maybach Motorhome is around $1.5 million, depending on customization. For many, this may sound like just a luxury purchase. But from an economic and business perspective, this is an example of brand positioning and consumer psychology. Mercedes is not only selling a motorhome, but they are selling exclusivity, prestige, and the idea of living the ultimate lifestyle on wheels. This is why luxury products often cost significantly more. They're positioned as status symbols, not just functional machines. At the end of the day, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is more than just transportation. It is an educational model of engineering, AI integration, consumer psychology, and modern design. It tells us how the future of travel and lifestyle is changing and how innovation is shaping the way we live. And here at SmartWealth AI, our mission is to help you not just watch luxury, but to learn how AI can give you the skills and opportunities to build wealth and design your own dream lifestyle. If you learn AI today, you can transform your tomorrow. So if you enjoyed this review and want to explore more about the world of futuristic technology, artificial intelligence, and wealth creation, make sure you subscribe to SmartWealth AI, because your journey towards knowledge and financial freedom starts here.